Unit 8. This is my pen. Phonics. Letter R. Hello, students. I'm Renee from TIionng123.com. This is the phonics lesson of English Grade 3. I am very happy to be here with you again. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the letter R. This is the letter R. The letter R makes the sound. Can you say Good. Now let's say it together. Here are some words that contain the letter R, sound. Ruler, ruler. Room, room. Rubber, rubber. Now, take your turn to practice the word. Ruler, ruler. Room, room. Rubber, rubber. Okay, students, chant with me. Here we go. Let's chant. Robin's in his room. He writes a poem. Then he takes a ruler to draw a line. Now let's sing again. Robin's in his room. He writes a poem. Then he takes a ruler to draw a line. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.